What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the marina. I'm going to be trying out a worm for a bit. Hopefully a topwater bite turns on. It is very hot, 102, but it is 7:30 in the afternoon. So hopefully we can catch them in the afternoon bite. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm going to be starting off with this Slim Shake, kind of natural color with a little bit of white. I'm going to be flipping these docks. I'm thinking they're a little deeper because it's pretty hot, so try that out. Alright guys, so I switched up to a bandito bug. Last time this worked out relatively well. Let's see if I can get a bite. Alright guys, so I switched up to a frog. It's gonna be pretty hard. I have about 40 minutes of daylight left or so. So we'll see if this topwater bite turns on. So I switched up to a popper because my frog, I need some braid to fish that because it's kind of more of a slow retrieve. I need to bring another rod for that. There we go guys, first fish of the evening. Feels like a nice one, probably about a pound. Oh yeah, that's a nice one guys. Barely hooked. Come on buddy. Wow, it's already gonna, the sun's already gonna go down. Not a bad one guys. Here we go guys. Not a bad one. There you go guys, first fish of the day. Chubby one. Not a bad one. About a pound, close to a pound. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Here he goes. See if we can catch another one. Alright everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. Short video. I only had about an hour to fish, but I was gonna fish today in the morning or in the afternoon, but it's 106. Hopefully next time it's not as hot and we can catch some fish. But anyways, catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.